Hi friends, this is my database 6 experiment. The aim of the heading of the experiment is functions and procedures. The first question is create a stored procedure that displays the name and the customer ID of a customer whose booking ID is passed as a parameter. In this output, we are able to see procedures are nothing but it is similar to function, but it does not return any value. To create a procedure, there is a syntax: create or replace procedure name, and within the parameters we have to pass, within the brackets we have to pass a parameter, that is number. Number is my variable and its data type is number. The next one is customer ID and login name. These two are the declaration part. And in my query I have given select customer ID login name into customer ID 1 and login name 1. That is, the declared customer ID 1 and login name 1 is assigned to the customer ID and the login name in the customer details table. Into is a function which assigns this customer ID and login name from customer details table to the declared values in a program. In the subquery, I have given select customer ID from car booking, where booking number is equal to this number. Next one, I have displayed this customer ID. This number is nothing but the number which is passed to the procedure. My next question is create a stored procedure that receives the car ID and raise in price as parameter. It then raises the price of that car in the car details table. Create a replace procedure name is pro as usual, and these two are the parameters. My parameters are ID and price, and these two ID and price data types are declared over here. The next one is declaration part. Declaration part, I have declared car ID 1 and base price per details are again it is also a declaration part. Next one, update price details. Set base price per day is equals to base price per day. That is, I am updating the table. I am updating the price value of the car, where the car ID is equals to this car ID. When these two car IDs matches, my price is being updated. You are able to see in the output, this is my table. The base price per day, the prices are this one and updated one is this. See, all the prices are being updated. Then my next one is create a stored procedure which takes booking date and customer ID as input. That is, the procedure's parameters are these two. The procedure should display the number of days the car has been booked. For this, we have created a procedure and a number as a declaration. I declared a number and select count. I am counting the return dates. That is, how many return dates I am counting using a count function, and I am assigning it into the number num that is I have declared over here. This into function will assign the value to this number from the car booking table, where car customer ID is equal to customer ID 1, that is the parameter which I have passed here, and the booking date is equals to the booking which I have mentioned over here. We are able to see in the output the return dates, that is how many days the car has been booked. Then my next question is write a procedure that deletes the car record whose car ID number is passed to it. If such car number is not existing, raise no data found exception. Here I have created a procedure and car ID is my parameter, and I am deleting from when these two car ID matches, I am deleting that from the car details table. If this is raise application error, It is a function which displays that car ID is missing if that car ID is not available. That when this car ID is not equal to this car ID, that car is being missing. So it will be raise an exception repeated number of times, that is car ID is missing. Then my next question is, write a function to display the price of a booking with a given booking number. Create or replace. This is function. Function is nothing but function and procedures are same. A difference between function and procedure is nothing but function returns a value where procedure does not return a value. Here see for the function the same syntax, create or replace function name and the parameters, and the next syntax is return the number, that is I am returning the number. See here the booking data type is number and I am returning that number. I am returning the booking data which is the data type of number. The return data type is number. Next one, I have declared a price and I have selected base price per day into this price from price detail table where the car ID from this table is equals to the car ID of this table, where booking number is equals to, when the two booking numbers are equal, then this base price value is assigned to this price which I have declared over here. See, a function is created. Next one is create a function which count total number of cars having price more than 500. See here, create a replace function, and similarly I have written a query over here, select count star into price, that is I am counting and putting the value into the price which I have declared here from car details table, where base price is greater than 500. In my subquery I have mentioned the base price greater than 500. So then a car's price more than 500 will be counted and displayed using function. Next one is create a function which displays the car details. When color is given as an input. See here, I have given a color as an input and its data type is varchar, and I have declared a price car details, and using the query select star into price where the color is equal to color, it will return it. It will send. That's all about my sixth experiment. Thank you.